Oh hi, I am Trishna and today we are talking about the fuzz that sometimes decides to show up in the most unexpected places. Yup, I'm talking about the facial hair. Whether it's your upper lip, chin, cheeks or jawline, removing hair from your face can be quite painful and even cause rashes and skin irritation. But don't worry, we've got you covered. If you're looking to remove hair from your face in a safe and gentle way, we've got the product that's perfect for you. So let's get started. I'm super excited to introduce you to the new Philips Cordless Facial Hair Remover. It's a game changer for anyone looking for convenient and easy way to remove unwanted facial hair at home. When I used this trimmer for the first time, I was quite surprised to see how it removed even the finest hair on my upper lip and chin without causing the pain typically associated with threading and waxing. So here's the step-by-step guide on how to remove unwanted facial hair using the Philips Facial Hair Remover. Step 1. Cleansing. Cleaning the face with a gentle face wash and cold or lukewarm water will help you clearly see the hair that needs to be removed. Remember not to use any harsh products, otherwise the skin will become rough. Step 2. Hair removal. The second step is to use your Philips Cordless Facial Hair Remover. Don't worry, it's super simple. First, you need to remove the upper cap, which has a built-in mirror that can help you with the hair removal on the go. It also has a built-in LED light which help you see those tiny hair which are not visible to the naked eye. I find this feature to be super helpful. Can you see O and I marks here? Just twist it from O to I to start the trimmer. You simply need to move it in circular motions on the area from where you wish to remove the hair, like this. You can see how easily it has removed the tiniest of hair on my face. The best part about Philips Cordless Facial Hair Remover is that it is suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. If you see its wide round head, it works gently to avoid any rashes or skin irritation. The self-sharpening blades of the trimmer ensure that the hair is cut close to the skin. And we are done. Step 3. Putting aloe vera gel. Once your skin is clean, you can put some aloe vera gel and massage the area to make it even smoother. It will also help in cooling down your skin. Massage the gel nicely in circular motion and you will find that your face feels super refreshed. I never skip this step because aftercare is necessary to get that beautiful glowing skin. You know that friend who always has your back and who you can blindly trust? That's Philips Cordless Facial Hair Remover for me. Its compact lightweight design makes it easy to carry in your purse and you can do a quick touch-up anytime, anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below to get your Philips Cordless Facial Hair Remover now.